In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your email on DoorDash. All right, just basically open up the app. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to the top right and you'll have your profile icon right here. Just tap on it. Now, go ahead and locate a manage account. Okay, once you have it located, just go ahead and tap on it. Now, as you can see here, our email is grayed out. So how do we access it? Well, you'll have to go to the DoorDash website right here. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Say I'm going to open up Chrome right here. I'm going to log in. Now I'm going to go ahead over to DoorDash.com. Hit on enter. Now let's go ahead and log in. In here, as you can see, it will just redirect us to the app again. Now let's go back to our web browser. Again, type in DoorDash.com. And tap on keep using web. Now in here, tap on the three dots. Okay. Now tap on desktop site. Tap on it and it will load the desktop version of DoorDash. Now, once you're in here, tap on account. Now scroll down and tap on account as well. All right. Tap on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, we can just easily change our email right here. For example, I'm going to put in 2 because I have that account as well. Now, once that's done, you're going to want to tap on save. Okay. Tap on save and wait for it to load. As you can see here, it will need a verification. Just go ahead and look for the 6-digit code right into your phone. All right. Put that in here and just hit on submit. And once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.